Hey guys, it's Nessa again. I'm here for your Maintenance Monday where we fix our wig, straighten our crown, and walk in purpose. So today I'm going to let you see sometimes after your hair has had some age, or let's just say you're using a lot of hairspray and you're putting heat back into it and you're baking that hairspray, sometimes she gets to feeling like straw. Okay, she'll just be extremely dry. You can feel it. You can see it. This one actually, if we look up close, you can just see like she needs some hydration. She's thirsty. So we're gonna what I'm gonna tell you to do. I'm not gonna go through all the steps, okay? Because we got some shampoo videos coming out. We'll teach you later how to do deep conditioning, all the things. So be patient. But what I'm gonna want you to do is go through your shampoo, okay? Watch videos. We've got videos coming out. Go through those steps. So when you get to the part where you're done, conditioning and you're detangling, certain things I'm going to want you to use. You can use this Kenra Platinum leave-in conditioning spray, or it's like a little cream. Anyway, it's amazing. So I want you, mid to ends, go through all that with this. Then I'm going to want you to use this Silkening Heat Cream. This is a heat protectant. You're still going to put it on there while it's wet before you blow dry. So you're going to put all that through there, same mid to ends. It's going to protect it with heat, give it a little bit extra hydration there. And then put out the oil videos. I want you to come back in there with some oil, okay? We're going to quench her thirst. We're going to give her a lot of good products. And then we're going to proceed after that and would blow dry and style her just like usual. And try that and see how she feels. If she still feels a little bit dry, that's where we're going to come in and we're going to work on a little bit of how to do a conditioning treatment or whether she might need some protein. So stay tuned to that. This is going to be more for our older wigs, or maybe more for our blonde wigs because they've been processed a little bit more at the factory. So just stay tuned. We're going to give you all the things, so be patient and keep watching. Thank you.